Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of me playing Bee Swarm, and today we'll be grinding further in this game. Yes, we're gonna try to get porcelain dipper, if I said it right. Porcelain, I don't know how you say it, okay, but I'm gonna try to get it, and yeah, it's definitely not gonna be in this video because it takes so much grinding. But okay, let me just see my quest real quick. Mushroom, clover, and other thingy view. I gotta collect this first. Free is free, okay. Anyways, blue flower field. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna do mushroom field first because that one is the closest to me. So yeah, obviously it's gonna take so much grinding, so I'm just gonna speed this part up, and yeah, I'll see you guys when I completed my quest. Okay guys, I'm done with the quest, but right now I'm gonna buy myself some drippy shoes. Okay, never mind, bro, it sounds so weird. Okay, got that one, and this one will come later. I don't even have a moon charm anyway. Damn, bro, I can't speak. Okay, besides that, you buy this. I think it's better to save it for the vacuum. Why do I keep walking against the wall? I'm so done with this game. No, joking. Okay. At least I'm a little bit faster now. That's a good thing, right? Impressive. Oh, nice, a silver egg. I don't know if I should use it, but okay, so I definitely know that every time I get a diamond egg, I have to keep it because of the diamond mask. Anyways, I'm just gonna use this silver egg because, yeah, I need myself some more bees and maybe I'll get something good. Hello? Hatch silver egg. A stubborn bee. It's a white type of bee, but what does it really do? Ability token lifespan if gifted. I don't have it gifted. Minus movement speed. Bro, I need movement speed. This is like the worst speed to get right now. I'm already so slow, but it's fine. I'm still kinda fast, I guess. Just use this again. Where is it? Here, vacuum. I got the best one right now. I don't know if I'm gonna buy a better backpack because first I gotta look at my quest. Bamboo field. Yeah, about that. Gotta buy an egg first. So I'm gonna go to the clover field because that's probably my best field right now. I'm not sure, okay. I'm not really that crazy at this game and I don't know what to do, so. But yeah, I'm getting lots of honey at this field right now, so I'm probably just gonna grind more here. Okay guys, my backpack is full. I mean not really that full, but it's full enough for me to buy an egg. Hopefully. Oh, I need better bees, bro. Look how slow this is. Oh, this is not supposed to go that slow, okay. 2 times convert rate, okay, bro. This doesn't, yeah, okay, this does not feel like 2 times convert rate, bro. This feels way slower. Anyways, hurry up. I need to buy more eggs. Because I need 5 bees to go to the bamboo field, I think. I'm not sure. Let me level up this bee. 12. Okay, level 3. I'm gonna keep the rest of these because those I need for crafting stuff. I don't know about the treats. Okay, 2 eggs. That's good, I think. Because I got 2 roller jelly. And hopefully I can get something good with gambling. Let's go gambling. Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it. Okay. Well, we got 2 roller jelly, so hopefully I can get something good. Never mind, another stubborn bee. I'm gonna be slow as a snail. A cool bee. A new type, nice. But I can't feed them, so probably gonna have to go to mother bee. Oh, and I'm so much slower right now. I wanna get rid of the stubborn bee. And quick. I don't wanna be slow. This is so bad right now, bro. Maybe I have some tickets here. Nope. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to get rid of those stubborn bees, bro. I don't want to be this slow. Or I'm just gonna have to buy better, what's it called? I forgot what it's called. Better shoes, bro. How do I forget what shoes are? Oh my god, I'm so goofy, bro. Yeah, bro, look how slow I am right now. Oh my. I have to get better at this game, bro. Oh yeah, that is the whole point of the video. To get better. To get the porcelain dipper. Or however you say it. I don't care. Let's go. My B leveled up. GG's. Okay, just 1k more pollen in this area. I think. Yeah, like 1k more. Movement speed, okay. Back to the black bear. First of all. Oh yeah, I can try to get gummy bee. But I need like 2.5k gummies. Oh, that's gonna be so expensive. Oh, I don't know if I can do that, guys. I'll try to get gummy bee, but it's gonna be so hard. I don't know if I can do that. Bamboo boogie. It's crazy. Can you please give me like a royal jelly so I can get rid of those stubborn bees? And I can buy royal jellies, but I need more bees. Oh, I'm so slow. Okay, I'm probably just gonna speed up some parts, okay? Like right now, I'm gonna speed up, walking to wherever I need to go. Red pollen. Okay. Just gonna speed up this part, okay?
That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
Let's go! We got a legendary music bee. Nice, nice. We got our first legendary already. Okay, guys. I don't want this stubborn bee. Frosty bee, let's go. I think I can just become a blue hive. I mean, I'm still like early game, so it doesn't matter, but maybe if I grind this one like really far. And why am I going to this cannon? I can't even use it, okay? So I did some quest, but right now I gotta go to the spider field. First I'm gonna feed some of my bees because they have to be like level 4 to actually kill the spider. Let me give like 20 of these to the legendary bee. Shit. Damn, bro. I gotta get some of them to level 4. Shock bee, like 10 of them, because I'm running out. Level 4, nice. My cool bee, you can stay at that level, I don't care. Just care about the legendary bee. Okay, so right now I gotta kill the spider. It's not gonna go well, okay. I'm definitely gonna die. But I do get a lot of honey here, so I might have to, you know, kill this thing. I mean, I'm doing alright. I just gotta avoid all his attacks, and he's missing a lot. But I heard this spider gives a lot of rewards. A lot of good rewards sometimes. Not always, sadly. Isn't there like a secret entrance here? No, that's up there. That's at the werewolf's place. Kinda forgot about that. Leave me alone, you goofy bug. I want my quest done. I mean, I have it done right now. So what am I talking about? I don't care if you level up right now. I just want my quest complete. Yeah, I still haven't completed the quest of the sun bear. Oh, only 3.2k honey. I mean, it's still good. Let me convert my honey and see how many bees I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I count that right? Maybe not. Yeah, I counted that right. I have 8 bees right now, so that means I can go to the pineapple field, I think. Because there is some better stuff over there. And I need better stuff right now. So let me look if I can actually go up there. I need to feed treats. I don't have any of those. I'm broke on those. I just want to do Black Bear quest because he gives really good rewards. But right now, let me see if I can go up there. I think I need 10 bees for that. I hope not, because I want to get up there. Let me go up, okay. Yep. I need 10 bees. Are you serious right now? I need one more after this. 35k for a bee? Okay, I'm cooked. I am so cooked. Okay, so let me do some grinding. Just gonna speed up these parts because, yeah. Or else the video will be too long. But let me speed up some parts. I got a honeybee from a normal egg. W. I don't know if I want to keep that stubborn bee, but I'm just gonna keep him for now. Okay, so I'm gonna speed up this part because, yeah, it will take too long if I don't. Okay guys, my quest is gone and maybe I shouldn't turn on the sound because I might get copyright, so I'm gonna turn it off real quick. So much better. 10k honey, let's go. Think I can buy another bee right now to get to the pineapple fields. Let me just see if I can. If not, then too bad. I might be cooked then. Oh, I don't have any treats. No. I think I need the other stuff, so I'm not gonna risk it. Oh, they're already done. Okay. Never mind then. Wait, how many snowflakes do I have? 37. I can't buy anything with that, I think. No. Maybe I can buy a silver egg, but I don't have enough gingerbread bears. Maybe in the next video I'll get that. I'm not sure yet. Just comment if I should do it or not. Cause honestly, I'm not sure. I want a shiny. I mean a gifted one. Looker bee. It's not the best one, but I'll keep it. Which means I can go up. I can go up now. Let's go. Do I have any other quests? White pollen. 10k of them? Damn. This game expects me to grind 24/7. Maybe. Maybe not. You'll never find out unless you watch the video. Let me look how expensive this stuff. 50k! 160. Okay, this is really expensive. Okay, yeah, I'm not. Okay, okay, let me just grind some honey. Oh no, not the mantis. I don't even know if I'm strong enough for the mantis. No, they're level 5. Oh no, I might be cooked. Oh, that one is level 4. Never mind. Oh, I'm dying. I'm almost dead. And my bees are sleeping. No way, come back. I need you. I'm dead. I'm cooked. I think I'm dead. Bro, kill the mantis. What are you doing? Oh no. No. No, please. Wait. Please, let me tell you something. You're dead. You're cooked. You're cooked, mantis. Oh, bro, chill. It's not that deep, bro. My bees are so slow right now. Oh no. Just kill that thing already. Thank you, bro. Is it really that hard to just kill one mantis? Bro. Let me send in a white part because I only need white pollen right now. Yeah, I'm gonna speed this part up again because it's gonna be a lot of grinding. Talk to the black bear. I don't think I can use this cannon, but I'm still gonna go up here anyways. Just for the scientist bear. If that's her name. I don't even know at this point. Bro, I need that cannon to get there faster. Gonna speed it up anyways. Huh? What you gonna do if I don't? Okay, you're just gonna click off the video, but just don't do that, okay? Gonna speed up now. Montage. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I've got some new stuff. I did a lot of grinding, a lot of quests, and yeah, I think it's good for this video. Gonna make another part tomorrow, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.